Welcome to Pass and Move special here at Luveve Stadium, proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods, our #1 sponsor, our day one sponsors. It's a chicken in taking on Triangle United here at Luveve Stadium. Skipper, chicken in 0, Triangle 0.
I think I'm a team now, especially chicken in. I have a problem when it comes to goal scoring. Defensive right, goalkeeping right. Kumidi lapana kulomfano one uthulani jersey number 6. Then ngapha phambili as long ngela Charamba kungela Musa hayi
Barobe khona ebhenjini.
Hayi Musa kakho uCharamba bengekho ebhenjini. Bonke bethu bayalama injalo.
All right.
Yes.
Manje uhlupho kungabe kuyi besides uMusa noCharamba. Kuchicken ngendlela unobona ngoba lokho sabeyala beluvivi isizile ka 2025 ayikazihlole ayikaziwini.
I think now it's high time yokuthi bahlukane no coach. U-Anfas wenza umsebenzi wakhe. Ichicken in uyivusile but now it's high time yokuthi azihambele. Coach, yes.
But namhlanje ngiyabona uGadi noDemiramira lapha.
Vele ever since yaqala this season uGadi uyohamba phambili but vele I think sokufuneka ucoach omutsha lapha.
Uchicken.
Yes.
Kule rumor ngiyabona wendaba abantu bafuna uluphahla. Ukhanya ngani badinga kodwa.
I think financial ngeke bakwanise. Mina advice engabanika yona.
Into sithi financial ngeke bekwanise. Hayi chicken ile mali. Abantu njengaba ama-chicken.
Abafana bethu abakholi to be honest ikubona bengadlali so. Mina advice engabanika yona bathathe uToots uformer Blair Chiefs coach. Nguye ongaba right for abafana labo.
Ukhona phela ukubulawa eCity lo msebenzi.
Even lo msebenzi I think engayithatha offer chicken. Yes.
Ingcono kule kaluphatha kele mkwanisi.
Aluphatha is too expensive and wenza ukuthi uluphatha ufuna ileague. Not a draw now.
Alright bafana yabo bathi. Shawa.
Joti man.
Welcome to Benaya Foods, your trusted supermarket where quality meets affordability. From everyday essentials to beauty products, we have got you everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. We take pride in producing our own high-quality mealie meal and nutritious soya beans, ensuring you get the best straight from us to your table. With great prices, friendly service, and a commitment to excellence, shopping has never been this easy. Step in today and experience convenience like never before. Benaya Foods, the Royal Pantry.
Chicken in 0, Triangle 0. Abantu baphuma bedanile as always. And chicken yaza ngihlonhle lapha eGrabma. Machenza apha. Inesu. Ndibone njani game?
Game ibisharp but I think the problem ureferee no short. Ureferee no show akula bhora elokuthi ibhora seliphelile anti. Ibhora likapheli, ibhora lelaqedwa kuchaya ikhona. Kodwa lapho udopi ibhora, ekatopi ibhora sechaya impemba, awuyithontshile show ref, awuyithontshile. Akula bhora elinjalo but overall it was a good game. Ama team kade landana efikelayo. So overall it was a good game of football.
Ubone njani?
Yeah, I think previous chicken is something right. I check up on the quality. If you are in triangle, shooters ezaphuma putters now uziboneke so umuntu onkatshe ikhiche ngubani izikhiphile so I think ref baba uyosibeka ibhola but overall like isitshola abantu ukuthi overall the match was good. At least there was a bit of flashes of brilliance from both sides.
But you think, is it not a concern chicken in Isaac Ihlothe?
I think
so because of concern civil lokuthi khathesi siku match day 114 Isaac Ihlothe luveve plus futhi enye problem ucoach kala regular level eyokuthi yesesiyazi ukuthi every time nxa sibuya lapha asikwazi ukuthi sizinto players esifana labo Musa labo Charamba bahlalele yikho singakwaziyo kwa lokho nxa maybe perhaps yikho bengazayihlosi.
I think so much. Sharp with us. Sharp, my brother.
Sure.
Sharp with us.
I'm good, my brother.
Team no win, no go for
Yeah, it's a lot of things. That's football, my brother. There's a win, there's a draw, there's a lose.
But so hlupho kwenzakalani team ayidlali ngendlela esiyaziyo chicken especially ku home
Bonke batsho njalo Putas. Bonke batsho njalo Putas.
Akomana uyamtshela
3 points
uyaphutisa bana.
mayala phela
One of the days sathola yanoma team madala njengodana nguzale ndala ababekhuluma nqadi nasidawuna wena bedown abakhuluma thola kubo manje la bakhuluma Putas.
so jeje thola wena
Obvious.
Sharp my brother.
Joshua! Live at the stadium. Joshua!
We are in Machitarisu. Come on, man.
I'm none.
Chicken in 0, trying 0. Ibone Janikim.
I came in right. I chicken in the global
Eh, ngobaloke sabe yala beluvivi sizinde ayizaki hloti. Ibone Germany kem.
Hayi game sharp but imezama strikers. Ayisibi yonke vele mesizama improve siye get. Kuphela zama ukuthi sihlodle kade singahlodli kade seludle.
Into engikhuluma ngayo ngiyabuza mama Jidi kade kuyini chicken ini ayihlodli eluvivi. Isizini yonke le kahlodli eluvivi.
Trainer khona la.
Kodwa
Yabona iproblem yakho. So mase sihlodle bebe beze practice le part singapractice le part.
You understand? But isimo kahle kahle singabe singa uthi okwenza chicken ini yona ingajeli because team lesikhathi bebonke.
Hayi bora lwalinjalo vele because akwazi ukuthi engami. But team idlala. But yama team engazama ukuthi la iqinise phambili kakhulu idinga ama strikers yasesho.
Ngeze abanye bekhala ngocoach.
Hayi abakhala ngocoach nje bebe ngokukhala ngayo ibhola nje sibona ukuthi wena
wena uthini ngakhona ukomrasta.
Hayi
ngendlela wona ulibona ngayo.
Team yona sibili right iqinile but ekusasena kola bokulo kunzima khona even bona abafana kumele bebe lesiwandaba benza into eyi-1
but Rasta ngitshela week 1 kade sesiku week 14 i-team uthi right ingahlodli ku-home ukuhlodla asikabali win ukuhlodla
hayi khonapho yikho esikhala ngakho kuma-striker ngiyabona nto esabarilizayo konke uchikenini lapho abakhona bahlohla
so laba abakhona the umakopa but ukahlodla jeki 4 away
Uhlohlile.
ezi4 A1
Uhlohlile
but ku-home inkinga kuyini ngoba lama wina
bezama ukubambana abafana mntana. Bezama ukubambana benza into eyi-1 bengadivide amabili eziqephu eteamini. Benza into eyi-1.
so ngitshela kule division eteamini
enkulu kakhulu ngananzela nxa seground ama-answer back message akulo uthatha imessage. Omunye ngatshela omunye imessage omunye answer back.
lapha selindlahle nakhaya kule 30 years why nisithi kule division khona nazabe sibukele isikhatshana
yazi ukuthi ebholeni kunjani futhi wena ngabe ngadlala lawe kuma-juniors uyakwadlala la esikole so singahamba sinje lathi Harare sebesifuna ukwenza ikhombination yethu engabi
esikole
esikole ukuthi akulo ngidida wami lo yinto ekuchikenini into okunye la befuna udlala lwala funa udlala
Bona bafuna ukukombine ngendlela ucoach ayefake ngabo abafuna ukuyenza uwawo. Abafuna ukuyenza uwawo. Ngoba coach ngabe first league befuna into lwana ube lomngane wakhe.
so it's not a united
ababambana ngoba United singabe United but abathandana
eish
bona bafuna ukuthanda nokwabo bakufuna abafundi nokweteam
abantu yabona imozi omnye nxa ekhuluma imessage bayithatha njani akula ukuthi hayi wena uke kanjani hayi flash
yakhumbula sayibona la
message phe ukuthi even ungafuni sikhana siye but wona ba-Arsenal back omunye yakavule lesandla
then kule incident eyenzakele eka-ref these days sile ma-problem uref uqeda ibhora kuyikhona e-triangle utshone nge-performance yakhe uref in general
hayi yena pambana
aqalise ngayo
vele ama-mistake atholakala but lathi sike sakhuluma kodwa ukuba uyekele lachayo ingxenye waqeda lisemoya akungcono unothi ukuthi uqeda abantu bekhayela bekhona but kithi lathi kuchikenini njengamasapoti ako-right ngoba bona
Alright, thanks for putting us back. It ends here 0-0 at Luveve Stadium. Chicken in Hose continue at Luveve Stadium. They are even failing to score It's been a lovely day of football. The crowd braved the cold weather to come and watch our chicken in the triangle. Even way lovely draw 0-0. It's been a pass and move special. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.